Hi guys, you are watching Maths is Fun, and today we're gonna learn how many squares are there in a bigger n by n square. So let's start. So let's start with the 2 by 2 square. As you can see, I've made a table with the size of the square and the number of squares. So let's start with the 1 by 1 square. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4, which is also 2 square. Now let's see 2 by 2 squares. So there's only one, as the biggest square is 2 by 2. So that means there's one square, which you can also write as 1 square. Now let's move on to the 3 by 3 square. So first let's see 1 by 1 squares. So in this row we have 1, 2 and 3 squares. And in this column we also have 1, 2 and 3 squares. So that means the total number of 1 by 1 squares is 3 into 3 or 3 squared. Now let's see 2 by 2 squares. So in this row we have 1 and 2 by 2 squares, and in this row, in this column we have 1 and 2. So the 2 into 2 number of squares or 2 squared. Now let's see 3 by 3, and the biggest square is 3 by 3, so it's going to be 1 squared. Now let's see the 4 by 4 square. First let's see 1 by 1 squares. So in this row we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares, and in this column we also have 1, 2, 3 and 4 squares. So that is 4 into 4 squares, which is 4 squares. Now let's see 2 by 2 squares. So there are 1, 2 and 3 squares, and also 1, 2 and 3 squares. So 3 into 3, which is 3 squares. Now let's see 3 by 3 squares. There are 1 and 2 in the row and also 1 and 2 in the column. So that is 2 into 2, which is 2 square. Now finally let's see 4 by 4 squares, and since the biggest square is 4 by 4, so it's going to be 1 square. So in this slide I have all the three cases that we discussed. So to generalize this formula, what can we do? So as you can see, all of these numbers here are squares and they go up to the size of the bigger square. So there is a formula in algebra which states that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square all the way to n square equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So we can use this formula to find out number of squares in any size of a square. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.